Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Solana. If we're looking at the entire markets as we start out Saturday, you can see a lot of altcoins are in green right now, which is really nice to see. Will we see this momentum carry on? We'll see as the day goes by. But as far as Solana is concerned, it's up 4.6% on the daily time frame right now. And the price is once again above that $40 mark and currently sitting at $41.57, up 5% as mentioned in USD comparative. It's also up 4.2% in BTC comparative over the past 24 hours. Focusing on its market cap, $17.4 billion, with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $1.6 billion. So things are once again starting to look really nice for Solana. But let's take a look at the charts, see what is happening, and whether or not we could be on our way to hitting a new yearly high for the price of Sol. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So basically what we're seeing right here is Solana, of course, forming this green candle once again in the charts. If we were to zoom in, you will be able to see it better. So let's give you guys a little bit of visuals as to what really has happened. So pretty much we did see the price of Solana top out at $46.83, saw a retracement of about 18.8%. And if you somehow got lucky and picked up some Solana at the dip at $37.68, then you are up right now about 10% already. But are we about to carry this overall momentum, this wick that we're seeing happening, this green candle that's forming? Are we about to see it start heading towards $48.55, which is that next main target, which I was referring to in my previous update? In order for us to get to that level, that's a move of about 16.47%. So not quite a big jump. And, that could come to life if Bitcoin stays stagnant around here or even starts pushing back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. We could really see Solana pushing up to this $48 range, which will be a new yearly high. Because now if we're focusing on BTC, let me share something with you guys that you guys might not be noticing right now. Pretty much on the daily time frame, we're seeing BTC creating higher highs and higher lows. So we're still in an upwards trajectory formation for BTC. So the channel is still in the upwards trajectory. So we could be making our way back to the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level in the upcoming days ahead of us. And if that were to happen, we could be seeing Solana setting a new yearly high close to $50. I think this $48.40 is that next main resistance. We will see this resistance play out. We will see the price kind of take a cool off and get rejected at that range. I'm expecting that because if I were to zoom out, look at this, guys. Now you can't make this up. Let's just draw this out and let's see if this were to play out for us. Oh, never mind, it's not even loading up on my end. But anyways, this is that resistance. You can see this for yourself, $48.55. That's that target that I'm aiming for as that next target for Sol, if we're able to break out and continue this upwards trend that we're forming right now. Reason as to why we're seeing altcoins performing really good right now is because of this. Look at the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is going down right now. We're testing some levels from October 24th. So this is causing the altcoin momentum to shift. So we're seeing altcoins outpacing BTC right now, and you can see this for yourself. But that does not mean that Bitcoin dominance is just going to stay around here. It could pick up once again if Bitcoin makes its way back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. Usually we tend to see a dominance index obviously going up as BTC goes up as well. So these are some factors we need to keep in mind. But as far as Solana chart goes, guys, let's zoom out and look at this. Let me just show you guys this. This is one of the nicest looking charts in the crypto markets, and there's literally no denying that. Now, Solana hasn't even gone back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and everyone is talking about what is that next Solana coin. Of course, Ethereum has built itself as a store of value now. Institutions love it. People consider it as a safe haven, and a lot of people consider it as a safe haven. But Solana is now doing what Ethereum was built to do, and the amount of interest that we're getting from developers is at an all-time high. We've never seen this much interest coming in, and right now, the price action is just going insane. This is one of the best looking charts. You can see this for yourself. Pretty much the road is clear once we go back above $48.55. We're going to be re-entering the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which target is around $58 to $60 mark. And I did a poll yesterday. A lot of people are saying that Solana will end off the month at $60. Again, that's a huge statement to make. We will see what happens one step at a time. But remember, after the $48.80, that's just a move of about 21%. And this is where I think FOMO will come like never before, because the last time the price of Solana was back in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level was back on May 12th of last year, and that's after the bear market started. You could see this for yourself. Once we broke below this level of support, you could see we've been pretty much in a downwards trajectory all year round. So things are looking quite great right now, especially if we're looking at it from the bigger time scale. We're seeing Solana really showing some life, and like I've said, I could be seeing some next crazy targets, such as even $60 before the end of the month. And again, that would be realistic. And again, now people might come out and say Solana is overdue for a sell-off. Solana needs to sell. But remember, guys, pretty much this project has been in consolidation for months and months, pretty much 16 months within this range. And right now is just the first time for it to pop out of that resistance. So pretty much if you're measuring it from this resistance, it's up about 74%. And I think this is where this breakout should even be considered, around this range, above this level of resistance, because pretty much throughout the bear market, we've been, hanging back and forth within this level. You can see this for yourself. So, these are some factors I keep in mind, and, this is how I analyze the charts. But mainly my target is, of course, $48. Might see a little bit of a rejection around there, but, the main goal at the end of the day is to get back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level and take it from there. A lot of institutions interest coming in, and a lot of speculation going on whether or not we're going to see a Solana ETF again. We have the Grayscale Trust, we have the VanEck ETN. These are some huge factors a lot of people are ignoring. So let's see what happens. As I've mentioned to you guys before, I do think that Solana is going to be one of the projects that is going to get massive gain out of this ETF approval. And, again, only time is going to tell, but everything is looking great. Let me know down below what you guys think, and do lock in your profits. Don't listen to other people on the internet that are telling you not to lock in profits. Lock those profits in, because dips will come. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.